the ascot!
Don't bother. The detention room neutralizes all superpowers. Sit. Here at Sky High, we do everything we can to teach you how to use your powers. But what you do with them, now that's up to you. Living up to your father's reputation, or trying to live it down, is a sad waste of talent. Your talent. Try to keep that in mind the next time you're about to do something stupid.
Alright, look. Whatever happened with our dads, it has nothing to do with us. What do you say?
I say, if you ever cross me again, I'll roast you alive.
So, Will, anything interesting happen at school today?
Well, as you may have noticed, I got my powers.
Yes, we know that's what called.
Look, it's not as bad as it sounds. It's actually a really funny, great story.
You nearly destroyed the cafeteria.
Yeah, but Mom, I got my powers.
And do you know how to use them wisely?
Sanctum. Now.
I am so dead.
William Theodore. Come here.
You're not mad?
My boy has super strength. How can I be mad? Ow! Sorry. You are strong. All right. If your mom asks, you tell her that I read you the riot act and I took away your Xbox.
But I don't have an Xbox.
Are you sure? Open it up. Open it up. Here, get it. All right.
The boy has Stronghold's power. It's almost poetic.
We should crush him now. We know he has a weapon.
Patience! We've waited this long. When the time is right, we'll have our revenge.
Well, you know, time would move a lot faster if we had an Xbox.
Like you little...
Uncle.